Hey, it's Austin Jones from the Jones Group at Berkshire Hathaway Fox and Roach. Two things I want to talk to you guys about today. First, being a huge thank you to the 11 different folks who trusted us with their real estate needs last year, doing a crazy year, a challenging year, very challenging year. Interest rates were still high, practically no inventory, a saturated industry full of newbie agents. And I think a lot of that saturation has to do with the fact that the perception of the realtor is that we sit around arguing with each other all day long and we collect these hefty checks. And that could not be further from the truth. There's a lot of hard work that goes into getting your client to the settlement table on time and for the price that they expect. But not just that, there's even more work that goes into just getting a client. And in reflecting upon that, that brings me to the second point that I wanted to share with you guys today. And that is, what are the 5 things that we did above and beyond for our clients this past year? So looking at my notes here, the first being, we knocked on over 372 doors because 2 of our clients desperately wanted to live in a community and there were no homes on the market. Number 2, we sent out just over 1,500 personal note cards to 5 different communities. We got about a 3% response rate, which led to different meetings, a few new clients, and 1 closed deal. Number 3, we sat 27 different open houses in which we curated a specific marketing plan for each property. 4, we did 12 equity reviews on properties for our clients. And 5th, we spent over 150 hours on the phone with buyer and seller prospects. So again, nothing replaces hard work.